This is Asma. Asma has a pet rabbit. Its name is Bunny. Rabbits live in burrows. They love to eat carrots. Asma is busy playing with the ducks. Bunny is very sad. Bunny is hungry. Mother says to Asma, "Take care of your pet and feed it on time. Allah will be pleased with you if you take care of your pet." Asma feels sad. Asma promises her mother that she will take care of Bunny. Asma loves Bunny. She gives Bunny a carrot. Bunny is happy. Bunny eats the carrot. Asma realizes that we should take care of our pets.